What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the top 3 reasons I am returning my Ring doorbell. Let's get started. So the first reason I'm planning to return this Ring doorbell is because of battery life. Now, this doorbell, they're saying it's supposed to get 6 to 12 months. I only had it for a month, but when it was fully charged and I had it up for that month, it lost about almost 30% of battery life. Now, it might be because of the motions that it kept detecting, but I did keep trying to adjust it to the lowest, possible, or even no emotions, no motions, so that way the battery doesn't decrease as fast, and it still didn't help. So that was very disappointing. And I know they sell rechargeable batteries out there that you can just swap out, but it's really not worth it for me to spend that much. The $30 and the $120 for the doorbell, or the $100. It's just not worth it for me. Another reason I am returning the Ring doorbell is the user interface. Now, I own many different tech products that are app enabled, and the Ring doorbell is by far has the worst user interface I have ever dealt with. And again, this is just for me. Maybe you're having a great experience with your Ring doorbell, but with me and my app that I'm using with it, I'm having an absolutely horrible experience. The app lags a lot. The Ring doorbell has a lot of difficulty setting up when I have to, reset it or repair it. I'm always experiencing issues with that. I'm experiencing issues with it, telling me there's issues with my internet when there isn't, and it's not connecting to my, my phone is not connecting to the camera, or the camera saying it's offline for some reason. So just a lot of user interface problems with the app, with the camera, and that is a second reason I'm planning to return this Ring doorbell. The third reason I'm planning to return this Ring doorbell is customer service. So, when I reached out to customer service, they weren't helpful. I reached out to them twice, and both times they were not helpful. They did not assist me with the issue. They laid out very basic steps, or they told me to wait a couple days. Maybe it's just the Ring bell is new, the Ring doorbell is new, and I just didn't appreciate the response, especially for a $100 doorbell. And as an established company that's owned by Amazon now, I didn't appreciate the response or the customer service. So because of the lack of customer service support, the poor user interface, and in my opinion, the incorrect battery life that I received, I will be returning this Ring doorbell. So these were my 3 reasons on why I'm planning to return my Ring doorbell. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll try to answer them for you. I hope you have a great day. Take care.